Okay, our cute yummy birthday cake is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic.
Wow!
Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a cute birthday cake.
Wow!
So let's get started. Very soon we are going to see a magic. So just wait for it. Now let's color it. I am putting the red color. Now I am putting the pink color. Now I am putting the dark brown color. Now I am putting the light green color, purple color and sky blue color. Now I am putting the light yellow color, orange color and dark yellow color. Okay, our cute yummy birthday cake is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic.